Welcome to Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about reputation management. What is reputation management? Reputation management is controlling and influencing the audience's perception of the brand through responding to customer feedback. How does reputation management work? The reputation management process has 3 stages: feedback detection, developing a strategy, dealing with negativity. How to build a reputation management strategy? There are 6 steps to create your reputation management strategy. Detect where people comment and mention your brand. These touchpoints are social media platforms where your brand is present, professional forums, comment sections on your blog, Trustpilot reviews, reviews in Google local queries, etc. Choose monitoring tools. Among the most popular tools for social media and online monitoring are Sprout Social and Hootsuite. They aggregate user feedback with or without hashtag mentions into real-time reports, so you can deal with it more conveniently. You can also check feedback at your own online shop or marketplace where you sell products. Decide how to react to certain feedback. Think of the tone of the message as well as the words that best fit a certain situation and the negative mood of an unsatisfied customer. It's best to create very specific templates so that you can swiftly respond with the best answer. Prioritize tasks. Decide which platforms are more important for your business reputation and create a queue according to which you will work with feedback on a daily or weekly basis. Assign a responsible manager. If there is plenty of feedback across different platforms, it's best to assign a part-time or full-time manager for this role. Prevent negativity. Make sure you do everything you can to foresee and prevent negative feedback because it's the easiest and cheapest way to maintain a good business reputation. Double-check delivery deadlines, develop a fair written policy, abide by the rules of the country you work in, and make sure to follow best practices of e-commerce marketing. Here are tips to protect your online reputation management. Become well respected. Building and maintaining trust in your business can protect you from online smear campaigns. Be radically transparent. Share the good and the bad about your company to build trust. Monitor what people say about your brand. You can't protect your reputation if you don't know what people are saying. React quickly and politely. A prompt "thanks for making us aware of the problem. We are working on it and will get back to you as soon as possible" is better than a late reply with more information. Address criticism. Don't ignore criticism. Responding quickly shows you care about your customers. Pay attention to your Google results. If the words scam or ripoff are associated with your brand, it is time to take action. A strong SEO strategy can protect your brand by pushing down negative feedback. Learn from your detractors. Criticism can be the chance to learn more about your audience and craft a better message in the future. Attack your illegitimate attacker. Sometimes, if you don't sue or push back against detractors, they might do it again. Learn from your mistakes. If you have made a misstep, own up to it, and take action to fix the issue. Ask for help if necessary. If your online reputation management efforts are not enough to protect or restore your brand image, you have the choice to request help from a professional. If you want to know more details about reputation management, then why are you waiting? Join the Harvard School of Digital Marketing. Our training classes are online or offline. We are the #1 digital marketing institute in India. Our courses are certified by top university in India. We are offering 3 types of certified diploma programs in digital marketing. Digital Marketing Certification Program. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design. Certification Program in Digital Marketing, Graphic Design, and Web Design UI and UX. Our training program during 6 months. First 3 months we teach about the course completely and practically. Next 3 months arrange an internship and live projects in top MNC companies. End of 3 months internship, you will get 3 months internship experience certificate in top MNC companies. We offers additional career support services for you. There are resume building, portfolio building, interview questions and answers, personality development, soft skills training, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills training, mock interviews, one-on-one mentorship, job portal, career counseling, and dedicated placement offers. Our alumni placed in top MNC companies. We have 3,000 alumni and 11,000 hiring partners. We have 5 branches in Asia: Singapore, Dubai, Chennai, Bangalore, Coimbatore,